What's your name?
Nunes.
Hey, hey, hey.
Antonia, septimo.
Hey, hey, hey. Pessoal, Raban. O meu Raban, hein? Hein? Tô bonito, hein? Tô bonito. Ricardo cabeludo. Sandra. Hey, hey, hey.
Antonia, septimo.
Hey, hey, hey. What we cooking today? Que vamos cozinhar?
Brioche.
Brioche what?
Chocolate.
Hey, hey, hey. With chocolate. Brioche com chocolate. Sandra Nunes. Hey, hey, hey. You. Can I? Hey, hey, hey. You cannot see. Hey, hey. Vamos cozinhar. Hey, hey, hey.
Hi people, how are you? Welcome to our kusina. Magluluto po kami ngayon ng brioche with chocolate. Isn't it? Okay guys, our recipe is flour,
Chocolate.
salt, yeast, egg, milk, and butter and sugar. So the bread maker gonna be mixed for dough, isn't it, Sander?
Yes.
Say hi everyone.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm just gonna cook as well.
Sander gonna cook today. It's my
No,
birthday.
the machine gonna cook.
Yeah, the cook.
The machine gonna cook. Okay, let's
The
go.
bread maker gonna cook, isn't it?
I'm gonna make it, everything.
Okay, let's begin. San,
I think.
flour first. Flour. Come on, mommy gonna help you.
How put it?
Yeah, put slowly. Wow. Wait a minute. Slowly, anak. Yeast. Come on, put the yeast. Slowly, please. Good boy.
It's made.
And this one.
Sugar.
Oh, sugar. Come on. Salt. Another one. There's a sugar. What is the sugar? Thank you. And then the milk.
Milk.
Okay.
Sad.
Careful, hot. Well done, Sander. Okay, and the egg.
Egg.
It's hot, darling, huh? Oh, come on. Pee! You want? Okay, that's it.
No hot.
And then the egg. Wait, we're gonna crush this egg, Anna.
Okay, I'm gonna open.
Yeah, hang on. Oh my god. Okay.
No, I'll put it.
One. Come on, put. Okay, break one. Break that one. Egg. Break. Well done. More crack. Here. Pinapalo-palo pa. Okay, that's it.
Oh,
Okay, well done, Sander. Woo!
wanna mix?
Yeah, we're gonna mix it. Okay, guys, it's all ingredient is already inside. So let's start making dough. Sandra, can you press the red button? That's fun. Look at this, guys.
I'll press the button.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be ready. The dough is 4 hours and 30 minutes, so it's quite long.
Hi, Dada.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Oh, I'm mixing. I want to see.
It's mixing. How about here?
It's not scared.
Oh my god, look at this. Come on, close it now. Please, not close it, this one. Oh, say bye-bye.
I want to see.
Already done. Thank you, guys. Come on. Okay, guys, the chocolate we're gonna put and to mix with the dough. Sandra, can you put Put. Hey! Look at that. And press yes. Good boy. Oh, look at that. Oh.
It's a bubble.
Yeah, it's a bubble. Bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. Oh, yummy, isn't it?
I'll eat.
You have to eat. Oh. Later when you finish eat. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, close it now. And see you in a bit.
Where's it going?
Where's it gone? It's gone.
What? Oh, no, it's in a bubble.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's making a dough enough. Look at it.
It's coming. It's where's the bubble?
The bubble is bubbling, bubbling, bubbling.
Oh, where's the
Close
bubble?
now, close. Thank you.
Where's each?
Hi guys, look at that brioche with chocolate. It looks nice. Okay, we're gonna cut now this, people. Lagyan natin siya ng icing sugar. Look at that. Oh, amazing, isn't it? Look at that. Look delicious. Okay guys, hopefully you like my brioche with chocolate, and please subscribe and like, and have a nice day. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking tinapay brioche with chocolate, and please subscribe and like. Thank you guys, have a nice day. Bye now. Mua. Look at this guys. Amazing. Okay people, hopefully you like my brioche. It's look delicious and yummy. Thank you for your watching, and hopefully you like it. And in the kitchen we are fire. Thank you people. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you all. God bless. Bye bye now. Amazing. Look.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life, and what does it show? We love food world, we love food world. Antonia septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life, and what does it show? We love food.